Well, solving the lack of health care in rural Georgia topped today's agenda of the state's health care reform task force.
They're using technology and a renewed commitment to serve people who are least likely to afford medical care. 41 NBC's Emanuela Rendini has more on what residents can expect.
I understand that for too many families across our state, health care is either unaffordable or out of reach.
When you look at rural Georgia, the challenges that they are facing right now is real.
And Lieutenant Governor Casey Cagle, with the help of the Georgia Health Care Reform Task Force, wants to help residents afford better health care.
What we want to do fundamentally is create some real innovations around delivery system. We want to be able to allow people to have more affordable health care.
The goal of the task force is to change the current health care system, and that's what the president and CEO of Tift Regional Medical Center wants.
We cannot maintain the program as it's been for years. We have to transform the delivery and the financing of health care in ways that are going to allow us to be sustainable for the long term.
It's going to require all of us coming together in communities to determine what their needs are and trying to be proactive to really get to the individual early on to avoid the high-cost environment of emergency rooms, things of this nature.
Tift Regional created its health reform in 2010 by learning more about its community and making some changes, like adding telehealth, new centers, and a patient-centered medical home to help its residents. Cagle says these new additions are what rural residents need.
It's not a one-size-fits-all, and there's not a silver bullet. We have to be committed to really helping rural Georgia meet the needs that they have to give patients a quality-based health care system, obviously at a price that they can afford as well.
In Tifton, Emanuela Rendini, 41 NBC News.
Cagle says he grew up poor, so he understands what it feels like to not have access to affordable health care.
He says the task force will continue looking at new ways to help rural residents. Tift Regional Medical Center serves Wilcox and Telfair counties in Middle Georgia.